It was such a peaceful and beautiful, beautiful day at the beach today. I drove to Sanibel and went to Bowman Beach Park. It was incredible. I didn't go until the afternoon, but just loved every minute of it. I was there for 4 hours reading my book, Captivating, which I've read a million times. I actually collected 3 large bags of shells and I just had an amazing time. I had fresh shrimp and oranges on the beach and just drank my water. Had such a wonderful time and actually talked to a few people that were just very interesting. So it was just great. It was peaceful, and I loved just the entire reset of my nervous system that took place. So highly recommend this beach if you haven't been. Sanibel's beautiful and really a wonderful place to collect shells and relax.